Hey friends, if you wish to use sticky notes on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the uh, procedure and also explain everything about it. So sticky notes in Windows 11 have changed and are significantly different from its predecessors because these notes require you to log in. They save your notes unlike it used to happen earlier, and there are a lot of more customizations available. Let's delve deep into it. Search for sticky notes in the Windows search bar and open sticky notes. Okay, so we already have a note here, but to add a note, simply click on this plus button here. You can customize its size. Okay, you can make it smaller, bigger, you can customize anything. You can write a note here. You can select that text. You can make it bold, italic, underline, or you can also cancel a certain part of it. Okay, we have more options in which we can add bullets or even images. Okay, so this is one thing. Now once this note has been deleted and you click on cancel, it doesn't completely erase the note. It remains in the sticky note section, unlike it used to happen earlier. So to delete a note, all you need to do is click on this option here and select delete notes to delete the note. Okay, so this is what you can do. We also have a few settings here. You can use the light mode, the dark mode, the Windows mode, or you can keep this option to confirm before deleting, which is the default one, or just do away with it so that you can delete notes easily. And you can also enable insights if that is required. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.